Thanks everyone. Makes a gesture of thanks with his hands.
Coming back home, Safaricom and Naivas have today partnered to reward customers who are mothers in celebration of Mother's Day. Speaking at Naivas Greenspan, Naivas Chief of Strategy Andres von Paleski emphasized that this initiative is timely as mothers make up a large portion of their customer base. The celebration also marks 35 years of Naivas and 18 years of M-Pesa, Safaricom's service to Kenyans.
Safaricom M-Pesa with over 30 million active users and Naivas with over 2.5 million active loyalty card holders. And of course, a very large percentage of that are mothers who are very important in the shopping decisions that are made every day. Giving out vouchers, we'll be giving out airtime, we'll be giving out little hampers as you shop. So we're looking to really reward our customer base across our store network today.
It's Mother's Day, but more beyond that, as Andreas has said, is that we're celebrating 25 years of Safaricom, 18 years of M-Pesa, and 35 years of Naivas.
Today I got this surprise. I was just, going about my day, not expecting anything, but really nice voucher. And my daughter we were debating now which toy she should get. And I was like, you only get one, pick one. So now she can get both. So she's very happy.
Happy Mother's Day.